Can Indian startups conquer the world? Can they become the world's first largest ecosystem, leaving behind China and the Silicon Valley? Well, believe it or not, but it depends on the startup governance. India's startup scene is booming. With skyrocketing valuations and a growing number of unicorns, the country is poised to become a global hub for innovation. But amidst the exciting growth, there is a crucial ingredient often overlooked: strong corporate governance. India's startup ecosystem is now valued at over $500 billion. A key moment came during India's G20 presidency with the launch of Startup 20. This initiative helped Indian startups access global markets. But as they collaborate internationally, adhering to ethical business practices is very essential. Recognizing this need, the Confederation of Indian Industry recently released a groundbreaking charter. It outlines steps for startups to build strong governance practices. This aligns perfectly with the evolving startup landscape and growing emphasis on ethical business. From day one, startups should embrace proactive governance. This means integrating self-regulation and exceeding legal requirements. It involves establishing clear frameworks for financial transparency, conflict resolution, and handling related party transactions. As the startups grow, their governance practices need to adapt. Detailed documentation, independent directors on the board, and integrating corporate social responsibility and environmental, social, and governance principles becomes very crucial. These measures build trust and transparency, setting the stage for sustainable growth for a startup. The startups nowadays want to go public after they achieve a certain success in their career. Going public brings intense scrutiny. Startups must demonstrate a mature governance framework. Robust compliance programs, board evaluations, and strong stakeholder engagement strategies are non-negotiable. This is where effective governance truly becomes a litmus test. Strong corporate governance is about more than just following the rules. It's about core values that drive long-term success. Startups need to build a culture of transparency, purpose, and financial responsibility from the very beginning. Strong internal controls, risk management, and stakeholder engagement strategies make a startup resilient and protect it from potential pitfalls. Good governance isn't just about investors. It fosters a culture of trust and accountability within the organization also. This empowers startups to navigate challenges and seize opportunities, and also become responsible corporate citizens. The journey of a successful startup is intertwined with its governance practices. By prioritizing good governance at every stage, Indian startups can conquer uncertainties and achieve long-term success. As India nurtures its startup ecosystem, a strong focus on governance will be very vital for Indian entrepreneurs to dominate the global stage. That's the mantra for today: to follow good governance practices. For more tips and enticing videos, visit tice.news. I am Swati Dayal. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy our content, please do like, subscribe, and share this video. Have a good day and stay enticed.